Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am trying a new brownie recipe. I'm always on the lookout for new recipes for brownies, and this one intrigued me because you use baking biscuit, like a biscuit baking mix. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 cups of biscuit baking mix, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 egg, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. I'm using pecans. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And over very low heat, I'm going to melt my chocolate chips and my butter, stirring occasionally until it's well blended. Once it's melted, you want to remove it from the heat. And now you'll add your baking mix, your sweetened condensed milk and egg, and stir well. Now you'll stir in your nuts and you'll pour it into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. And you want to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And here it is, and it was really good. The name suited it well. It was moist and they were chewy. And this is after it cooled a little bit. It sunk down in the middle the way brownies should. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, these brownies were so good. This recipe is definitely a keeper, and it was so easy to make. I hope you'll give it a try. So until next time, bye everybody.